We also have industrial park like a Kulim High Tech Park. Kulim. We have a Sungai Petani Industrial Park. We have Special Border Economic Zone in Bukit Kayu Hitam. We also have KRC in Padang Terap. We also a lot of water. A lot of water. They mean that come September, banjir. A lot of water. We also have
Man, what the hell was that? Tell me, what the hell was that? You're a state exco. Mind you, you're a state exco. You're not just a regular wakil rakyat adun or something. You're a state exco representing your government. You are delivering a speech in front of an investor, I guess, I believe, because I spot China's flag behind you, so it must be some kind of investment from abroad, from other country, perjanjian something, but it must be a big event, a big ceremony, not just a local event involving a local people. No, it must be from representatives from other country as well. So that's who you send to be talking for you. Whoever put you in that situation, I'm telling you, whoever put this guy in that situation talking like that, need to get fired. Not tonight, but now, right now. Because that's an embarrassment, not just for he himself, not just an individual embarrassment. This is for all Kedahan people now. Should be ashamed, should be embarrassed. Oh my God, I couldn't even comprehend. What are you trying to say? You say we got a lot of water. What kind of water are you talking about here? Maybe they will not tell you, they will not tell in front of your face, but believe me, I forgot this guy's name. Believe me, they are laughing at you right now. They are laughing at you, mocking you. They probably in their room or in their flight, going back to the country, and they will ask themselves, what the hell was that? What the hell was that guy trying to say? Who the hell Kedah State government sent to give a speech for us? It doesn't have to be fancy English, with the metaphor or something. No, just speak like a normal people, but make sure you get yourself prepared. That's it. You get yourself prepared, get a slide, at least get a note, at least. Whatever. I mean that if you go down unprepared, you go down just like, I get my job done, doesn't matter the outcome. That's what will happen lah. So please put a standard lah. Put a standard to your exco. If this is what Walaun, of course they will not care. They will not care much. It doesn't matter the English is power, is proper. No, it doesn't matter as long as it's from past. Okay, that's fine. Of course, for Walaun, yes, but for the investor, because people are watching. When it's involved people from abroad, of course, it might be globally for broadcast. You see, but oh my, aku pun tak tahu nak cakap apa. I don't know what to say lah. Please lah, whoever put that guy in that situation, whoever asked him to deliver a speech, it must be the last minute call for him to give a speech, to present. I don't know. It's better be a last minute call because that if it's scheduled for him to speak today, and that's what the best he could do, you need to fire him as well. Not just a guy that put him, fired him as well.